Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. I'm just going to show you, we're going to do a video here of a refurbishment that we're going to attempt on one of our older units that we took in part exchange. We've got Mikey down here from Fresh Decorators. I see his van in the background, and he's going to do a refurb for us on this unit behind me here, this one here. So this is one that we're going to redo the inside to make it look a bit beachy or something like that. Come on, I'll show you inside. We got Mikey on the decorating. Say hi, Mikey.
Hello.
Yeah. So he's our professional decorator. Now what we're trying to do is we're actually doing this planking type affair around there. See, but this is as it was. So it's all basically falling to pieces. This unit was. I think I had a bit of a damp problem here. The floors are pretty good, but it just basically looked really tired. As I say, you can, if you have a look round now into the bedroom there. This is always very brown, you know, typical of its age, I suppose. I don't know how old this is, maybe 10 years old. You can see it's really brown. So I'll take this little video now and we'll do a bit of a before and after. I think what we're going to do, Mikey, we're going to have a go at the doors,
yeah,
and paint them.
Yeah.
And this is the bathroom down here. So this is a bit before and after. I'll do a little bit more of a video when we get a little bit further on. Right, this is the paper we're using. Super Fresco Easy. Yeah, but it's just sort of that planking sort of idea. And what you have to do, or what the way we've been sort of told to do it, is basically paste the wall first and then apply the paper. So paste the wall first is a really good tip, because the old-fashioned way is you really put the paste on the paper. But paste the wall first, and then it gives you a bit of time to work with the paper to get it all around that mould and everything. Mikey's going to have a go at getting it around that moulding. We'll have a laugh, see if he gets it on there. And then we'll put a bit in there. But I'll video that once that's done and see how it's come out. But that's the basis of how you put it on. Right, another little handy tip is, if Mikey just demonstrates there, all these windows in these fifth wheels have a sort of inside frame that holds them all in. So just take that off, Mikey. You can see the frame comes off and you can get a right nice cut all the way round there. See, we just put that bit on there in the corner. See, that goes straight all the way over there. So that's nicely cut into that corner. And I say, just if that's put that to show that. See, that frame goes on. We're going to repaint the frame because I think someone put some paint on. We repaint the frame. That sharpens that all up and makes a nice job of it. So far, so good. Right, we're just having a little bit of an update on the renovation here of this fifth wheel. So I'll show you how we're going so far. Right, as you can see, I've got an old door there, but this is the colour we've decided to paint everything. There's a sort of shade of grey, maybe. But I don't know if you can see in the camera there, it comes out a lovely finish. What make is it, Mikey?
It's Ticarilla and it's eggshell.
Yeah, let's have a look what we've got. So this is what we've done so far. As you can see, everything's all coming together. Mikey's doing a lovely job. And I'll do a scan round once we're all getting. This is a dinette that we had left over from an old one, so we're going to put that in there, and then we're going to stick a sofa in here. But let's have a look at the paint we've used. Let me show us the paint there, Mikey.
This one's the primer.
Yeah, that's the primer.
Mixed in the same colour as the top coat, so you've got a good base.
Yeah.
And this one is for the doors, which is Ticarilla water-based top coat in an eggshell.
Yeah.
And this one's exactly the same, but just a different colour for the frames.
Yeah. But it's a bit more specialist paint than it. It's not the stated sort of stand. Where do we buy this?
This is from, they do this in Brewers and Kent and Blackstone.
Oh, right, but not at home base or something?
No, they don't do that one in there.
But it actually does come out, once we get the lights on here, I don't know if you can see here, but it's come out a lovely finish. You know, it doesn't even, it looks almost like manufacturer's finish. But this is what we're doing. I say we've Mikey decided to go with a slightly darker on the doors and a slightly lighter on the back now, if you can see.
Got to give everything a fairly decent sand down, just to give it something to key to.
Yeah.
But it covered really well.
Yeah, so I'll give you an update once we get a little bit further along the line. It should all be finished now, so I think it's 99% done. So we're going to have a look how she's all turned out. Right, let's have a look. We put some second-hand furniture here, a couple of chairs, like lazy boy style chairs. It's all come out really well with the grey. If you remember, I think Steve might put a caption in here what it did look like as regards to the brown, which in the year it was sold, that was the colours. They were the colours. Everybody had brown sofas in their houses. We've got this old table and chairs. I mean, basically needs repainting, put a cover on it, but I must think you must sort of admit it doesn't look bad, you know. It'd make a nice little bunkhouse for somebody. It's got everything you need. And we've got a nice kitchen now. It's all turned out well. I don't think he did it inside the doors. Let's have a look. Yeah, you see, that was the old colour, if you remember, and this is a new colour. Quality old paint, it's not going to chip. All we've got to do is basically put the blinds on it to finish it off. But I don't think we spent, well, I don't know, £200-300 on materials, and I think you'll agree it's come out really well. There's the bathroom. That's come out well, hasn't it, the bathroom? I think that's really sharp. We just got to finish it off with a few bits and pieces, but that's to end this video. It's all come out pretty well. So again, thanks for watching the video. If you got to the end, well done. Have a great day from all us down at CCRV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Really helps us out. It was having fun making these videos. So don't forget to press that or subscribe button. So it really helps us out.